What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the stuck searching for a friend error in NBA 2K26. So this happens when you are trying to search for a friend, add them or invite them, and it just keeps saying searching forever. I know a lot of people are dealing with this issue right now and hopefully 2K fixes it soon. But until then, there are a few things you can do to get around it. First, go to your settings and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says crossplay. Make sure it's turned on. If you're on Xbox, you might not see this option in-game, and that's because you have to enable crossplay through your Xbox privacy settings instead. And if you're on PlayStation, go into your settings, then privacy settings, and make sure crossplay invitations are turned on. Sometimes people have that turned off without realizing, and that's what causes the invite or friend search to fail. Now if it is still not working, go ahead and load into My Career. Once you are in, press L1 and R1 together or LB and RB together to open up your social tab and try searching for your friend manually. Have them search for you as well, cause sometimes it works one way and not the other. If you both have a mutual friend, you can try joining that person's session. Once you are in the same park, you should be able to party up or add each other directly from there. Another method that usually helps is loading into the NTApp at the same time. Just make sure both of you enter the NTApp server together and it should put you guys in the same lobby where you can play or squad up. You can also try using the squad finder by pressing L1 R1 and then press triangle. Both of you should pick the same settings like flashy, casual or competitive and then search at the same time. That usually pairs you together faster. And of course, if nothing else works, just close your app completely and restart the game. Sometimes it's just a temporary connection issue that gets fixed by restart. So yeah, that's how you fix the stuck searching for a friend problem in NBA 2K26. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.